halwas are something that we all love and enjoy, and of course making this special halwa is always a treat. Today we're going to do a lovely and delicious Gajar ka halwa, that is carrot halwa. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. For the carrot halwa, take a nice wide saucepan or a kadai. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee. So for this recipe I've taken half kilo of carrots. They have been grated, so I'm just going to measure it in cups now to see how many cups. 2, 3, 4. So I'm using 4 cups of grated carrots. Now this is half kilo. The carrots are cooking beautifully. I'm getting a lovely aroma. And every time you're making Gajar ka halwa, that is a carrot halwa, make sure the carrots are nice and fresh. Cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. Keep mixing it because you don't want to burn the carrots. So once the carrots are half cooked, I'm going to add the milk. Now I'm going to pour 1.5 cups of boiled and cooled milk. Cook till the milk is evaporated completely. So if you see, the milk is completely evaporated. To this I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. Now you can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. So you can see after adding the sugar, the color of the carrots have also changed. It's become a little darker and it's released a little moisture as well. So you need to get all that moisture out. So continue cooking till all that excess moisture is evaporated. So at this point you have to keep stirring it continuously. Now I'm doing this on a high flame. When the moisture is almost evaporated, I'm going to add half teaspoon of cardamom powder, a few strands of saffron. This is optional, so if you want you can add. Give it a quick mix. So if you see, the moisture is completely evaporated now. Now is a good time to add the ghee. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of ghee. You can adjust the ghee according to the quantity of carrots you're using. So some of you may not like it too rich, so then you can cut down on the ghee a bit. But if you do like it nice and rich, the more the ghee, the better. Carrot halwa is coming together beautifully. So finally, I'm going to finish it off by adding some chopped nuts. Add some pistachios, some cashew nuts, some sliced almonds. Turn off the stove. Gajar ka halwa, the carrot halwa is ready to be served. So here you go, there is this absolutely delicious and warm Gajar ka halwa. The carrot halwa looks amazing. Now it's best served warm and it's great for parties or get-togethers or even for small functions when you have it home. So there's a little tip that I would like to give. Make sure the carrots are fresh and a little sweet. It also adds to the flavor of the halwa. So do try it and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.